Hey, guy, we often get asked, how do you integrate AI into a business if it doesn't know where to start? Each business is made up of three buckets of people. The 10% that are already exploring AI, your go-to people who push the envelope, curious. They're already building prompts. They're already doing little automations. You rely on those, come back to those. You've got your 10% who are not that keen on AI and won't want to be using it. Then you've got the 80% who, if you give them the tools, they will use it. You get your top 10% of the curious types. You put them together. You get them working collectively to build those prompts, build those automations, get them working collectively in workshops once a week. You, as the CEO, puts an all company memo once every 2 weeks with what they've discovered, with what we've learned, with what they've come up with. That way, a top-down cultural approach to AI first means that your company's employees will start using AI. They'll be happy to do it. They will see the difference. If you do this, you will be able to achieve much more than bigger businesses than you with half the team size that you possibly have. Give it a shot. If you want to discuss this further as to how to implement AI and become an AI first business, let me know. Be happy to chat. See you next time.